Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custom-made shoes. First, gather your essential tools like a sharp utility knife, strong adhesive, and various leathers or fabrics. Next, accurately measure your foot's length and width to create a personalized fit. Then, start sketching your shoe design, considering the overall shape and any specific details you envision. This foundational step is crucial for bringing your unique footwear vision to life. Now let's refine your design. Take your initial sketch and add precise details, considering the shoe's height, toe shape, and any decorative elements. The next critical step is creating a last, which is a three-dimensional model of a foot. This last will serve as the foundation for shaping your shoe. Finally, you'll develop a paper pattern directly from your last, ensuring all pieces fit together perfectly when cut from your chosen materials. With your pattern ready, it's time to choose your materials. Consider durable options like genuine leather for longevity or perhaps canvas for a more casual look. Once selected, carefully cut each piece according to your precise paper pattern. Accuracy here is key for professional finish. Next, you'll begin assembling the upper part of the shoe, stitching or gluing the pieces together. Finally, attach the completed upper to the sole, forming the basic structure of your custom shoe. For the final touches, add laces, eyelets, and any other embellishments that complete your design. Consider applying a protective finish, such as a leather conditioner or water-repellent spray, to ensure your custom shoes last for years. This step also helps maintain their appearance against daily wear. Remember, proper care will extend the life of your handmade footwear. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.